nervousness and excitement. I am on my first solo in the air. I'm doing this.
Kyle, you just soloed?
Yes, sir.
Good job, man.
5,500. Spiral down to a simulated engine. Out, landing on 180.
Slate traffic says the 51901. Takeoff runway 18, staying in the pattern. Slate. Airspeed's alive, oil pressure's in the green. Looking for 55. There we are. And we are in the sky.
Yes, we are. With good climb performance, this is probably your first time feeling this.
Yeah, and then when you get out of the plane, it's going to climb like it's running away from something.
Yeah, it is.
Slate traffic says the 51901 on final runway 18. Slate. Alright, I'll bring her into ground effects. Alright.
Way to realize that you weren't flared enough right there.
Yeah.
Nice landing.
Yeah.
Oh. Just start doing that.
Don't bully me, wind.
Don't bully this man.
Flight traffic,
I'm okay with it. Take me in.
flight.
So what do you think happened right there?
So, right there, I
You
put
had your correction in,
right,
and then you took it out when you went to flare.
exactly.
So that's why we did this kind of.
Yeah.
So just make sure you're holding it in as you flare. It's okay to touch down on the right gear first.
Yeah.
As long as you're not doing a right gear and then you're turning off.
Right.
You excited?
I'm very excited, actually.
Awesome. So what we'll do is, I'm going to run inside real quick and get the handheld. Don't leave and start taxiing until I come back out.
I guess that's fair enough, Dylan.
Yeah, I know you're excited, but don't get too antsy on me. I don't want to see 991 taking off as I'm walking back out. Be like, wow, he got there really fast.
Woo! Let's go! I am about to go on my first solo when my instructor gets back, and I can't even describe the emotions, the feelings that are coursing through me right now. It's a mixture of nervousness and excitement. Been looking forward to this day for a super long time. I'm so excited. Hey, real quick, these babies right here, they are awesome. These are Flying Eyes Kestrel Aviators. You can get some for 10% off using code KBUNGER. Get you some. They're super lightweight, doesn't cancel out my noise canceling abilities from my headset, and I can see perfectly in the cockpit because these are non-polarized but still block like 100% of UV rays. They're totally awesome. I love them. You're not just going to break these on accident. So get you some. Man, I can't believe I'm about to solo. Alright, instructor just gave me the go. It's time to go.
Can you hear me, Kyle?
That's a firm, Dylan. I have to say, this moment lives up, absolutely lives up to all the hype that it gets. I am, you can't see it, but my knees are literally shaking when I'm trying to control this rudder input. Before a touch of go. Slate traffic says the 51901, takeoff runway 18, staying in the pattern. Slate. Checking short final, there's a lot of crop dusters here. They don't always radio. Making sure no one's coming up overhead on final here. lining up on the runway. Wind looks like it's coming straight down the chute now, so that's kind of interesting. That might change. But we'll go heels to the floor now, no more brakes. We are on center line and full power. Let's do it. Airspeed's alive. Oil pressure is in the green. Everything looks good. Instruments are alive. Everything looks good.
Traffic, Turkey 72 Juliet, turning
We'll rotate.
southwest 18.
Sweet. Dude, this thing is like a rocket ship with nobody in here next to me. I am on my first solo in the air. Slate traffic says the 51991 left downwind runway 18 Slate. Okay, let's stop descending, please.
Traffic, Cherokee 72 Juliet, turning left base 18, full stop, Slayton.
I'm gonna extend my downwind a little bit because they are on final. Slate traffic says the 51991 turning final runway 18 Slate. Alright, we're over the runway. Bring her into ground effect. Alright, flaps up. Thing climbs like a rocket when you're not in here, Dylan.
I don't know if that's an insult or I'm happy for you.
Add second notch of flaps and control the balloon. Bumpy up here now. Slate traffic sends a 51991 turning final. Runway 18 Slate. Alright, I got the runway made, I know that, so I'm just going to stop looking at the glide slope indicators. And go to the runway now, so we will full power and bring her into ground effect. Hold it there. Flaps up. Full power. And rotate. I'm doing this. I'm freaking doing this.
Flight traffic, Cherokee 76 Romeo, 2 miles to the northwest, 6,500. We're going to overfly the field and do a steep spiral descent. We'll try to time it to come in behind 991 on downwind. Flight traffic.
Slate traffic says the 51991 left downwind, runway 18 Slate.
991, as far as you know, are you the only airplane in the pattern in flight?
Yes, I believe so. I'm fixing to turn base for full stop. 991.
Roger.
There's a helicopter that's been maneuvering on the taxiway as well.
Thanks.
Slate traffic says a 51991 turning final, runway 18 full stop, Slate.
Slate traffic, Cherokee 76 Romeo, over the top at 5,500. Steep spiral down to a simulated engine, out, landing on 18 Slate.
I think I can catch this first taxiway out.
Congrats, Kyle.
Man, I'm so excited. Thanks, Dylan.
Kyle, you just soloed?
Yes, sir.
Good job, man.
Thanks, brother. Slate traffic says a 51991 clear runway, Slate. I just freaking soloed. That last landing was definitely my best. Coming in high off of all those approaches, really, I'm gonna have to get used to flying solo, I think. But that was freaking fun. Alright, Dylan, where do you want me to put it? Right here is good. Solo complete. Oh man, so cool. Alright, we will do 121.5. We'll verify that our ELT is silent. It is. Swap it back. I'll jumble it up. Alright, avionics are going off. Thanks for joining. Hope it was it's fun for you to watch as it was for me to do it. Peace out.